Hello and welcome to Target Beats. Target Beats. Oh, I love the way I say it. Hello and welcome to Target Beats. So, this is the channel where we make wonderful hip hop beats and Afro beats and Afro pop and R&B beats, any kind of beat. And we've been all around the world, so we have different perspective into music. So yeah. So today we're going to learn how to upload your sample into FL. So what is a sample? The sample are the instruments that you use to make your beat, like your drum samples and stuff like that. So I'm going to explain to you in a bit. But when you open FL, you want to be able to upload your sample onto FL. So it's pretty simple. I mean, this is one of like the basic things that you need to know if you're using FL. So what do? You go to options, you go to file settings, and you're going to click on one of these little folders, and you're going to go to where the sample is on your computer. On mine is on the other side of my hard drive called drive E. Excuse me, pardon my French. Nouveau simply means new in French. So it just means new disc. Nouveau nom, new disc. So I just navigate to my new disc where I have my samples, and my samples is titled Sampler, which is samples in French. So yeah, I just click on it and I click OK, and you see it just appeared here. Just in case you didn't see it appearing here, let me do that again. So I delete it. Now when you go here, yeah, so I delete it. I go here, I click on where my sample is. In this case, it's on my Nouveau Nom, which is my new disc. And I go to Sampler, click on it, and upload, and it's there. So it's pretty much a simple step. Just if you have more samples, you could click and do more stuff. I don't know if I have other samples, but I like to organize my samples into one folder, so it's easier for me, to get what I want. But I think I have a Travis Scott. Yeah, I have a Travis Scott sample, so I could just click on it and boom, check this side. It's going to appear right now. Check. Keep looking at this side. Boom, that's it. So we're done. That's really how to upload your samples. Now I can come here, click on it, and yeah, one shots and loops like that. You could hear it, right? Great. That's a solid kick, and I'm just gonna put my stuff here, change the pattern, do something. Just do something little for you. Let me just solo this track, and we could do like a 4. Yeah, you hear that? That's some house shit. 124 BPM with some kick. That's some party stuff, or just probably just go R&B. Yeah, right. So yes, that's how to upload samples. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. It's all fun making music and all fun teaching you how to make music. That's what's up. Target Beats. Yo, to the world. Subscribe. We out.